my first ever dress I made. Oh, maybe I can try it with my nails. Maybe it works. Does it? I can still wear it, can I? It's a little bit roomy. Another old dress, which is a wild print, a wild for me. Gosh, it's warm today. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Polly and this is the Sewing Edit. Today I'm taking you a little bit behind the scenes of what's going on in a day in my life, and in particular I was planning to do today my wardrobe reorganization, and I thought that might be useful for some of you, so why do I not record it? So while I'm planning my week ahead with a cup of coffee and sitting down with my to-do list, I thought that would be something fun to do. Please do let me know what you think about this kind of format and whether you want to see more of it. But in a nutshell, I was planning to do my swap from a winter autumn wardrobe towards spring summer one today. Well, I was planning it a few weeks earlier, but the weather has not been great, and yeah, I held onto it. But now that the weather is so lovely, I thought maybe it's time to finally take a full advantage of my spring wardrobe. I've been pulling things from my spring wardrobe, which is usually stored in a different place, the one that I currently don't use, wardrobe I mean, and now I have a lot of a mix of fall pieces and also spring pieces, because some days the weather is very cold, some days the weather is very hot. But I think it's time that I swap towards my spring summer wardrobe. And what I will do today, I will be taking out everything from my current wardrobe in our bedroom and putting new pieces. So if that's something that you will find interesting, stay with me here, and please do let me know if you find that kind of videos interesting. I plan to do a separate video with deeper explanations on as to how I structure my wardrobe with my handmade clothes. But yeah, that is the plan for today. I will probably be cutting out a dress if I have time today, as long as the kids are at school and I still find some time to cut out a summer dress. I think it's called the Going Places dress from Peter Emporium. It's a neat dress, it's a very easy sew, but I would like to have a dress like a very simple A-line dress. For summer, I'm planning my vacation to Bulgaria, and I am in a need of a neat, simple, neat midi-length dress. So this is something that I would like to do. I'm not quite sure I'll get around to it today. My focus is wardrobe organization, and I thought that would be something that you'll find interesting. So stick around. Look at my gorgeous flowers, by the way. I think we're so spoiled in the Netherlands with the most beautiful fresh flowers. We always try to have some fresh flowers in our house. I'll go grab some breakfast, and I'll take you upstairs with me in my cupboard, and you will see what I'll do there. Okay, until later. A few emails that I have to answer first, and then I will be in the wardrobe with you. Okay, we're in our bedroom, so you can see we have a big cupboard behind me that is currently used by my husband and we put some blankets and cushion covers and other bits and pieces, which is quite big, but I don't personally use it. I use those two cupboards that I will show you. They're currently filled up with my fall and some spring clothes. I'll take everything out. I'll bring my spring wardrobe from upstairs with a lot of handmade clothes, and I'll start filling it in. Okay guys, I had to stop the time lapse to show you something because I was very excited. I went to the attic upstairs because some of my spring clothes are upstairs in the attic, some of them, not all of them. And I found my first ever dress that I've sewn. I did mention this dress, I believe, in the video Get to Know Me, when I was talking how I started being interested in sewing. And one of the reasons was that I had a dress that I absolutely loved, but it got smaller on me and I had the kids and I wanted to make the same dress. So I reached out to a friend and she showed me how to do it, and it was an easy project. It is with lining. It's from very light cotton, but I wanted to show it to you because I haven't seen it myself for a very long time. It's a long dress. I actually have to try it and see how it fits me, but basically it has princess seams, and you won't be able to see it because it's a busy print. Can you see it? Oh, maybe not. Here is the princess seam. It has a lining with the same seams inside. It didn't stop me doing it, and the stitching, guys, is not that bad. Well, a bit wobbly, but still all right. These are the shoulder seams. I can't remember how I did them, but yeah, I've done buttonholes as well. It wasn't bad for a first time project. I'll try it on for you, see how it works. I'm very curious. And another dress I wanted to show you, simply because I feel like I have gone such a long way from wearing like bright prints like that. This was a dress that I used to wear a lot in the summer days. It was a McCall's pattern, I can't remember what, but it's with princess seams as well, high neckline, and it is a very, very loud maxi dress. At least for me now. I would wear much more subtle color or much more like a solid color, I would say right now, or maybe a little bit of a print, but not too busy. Anyway, I just wanted to show you what I used to wear, and to be honest, I think I will wear this still, but it will be at home. It's a very comfortable dress. I mean, you know, maxi neat dress. I don't need to tell you more. Okay, let's get on with the wardrobe org. Okay guys, so I have taken out most of my autumn winter clothes, and the first step I always do is I fold away and or hang the clothes from the previous season, and I leave in the cupboard everything that I still feel I would be wearing this season, and I will unpack the new ones that the spring wardrobe that is still in a box and hangers. I will bring it in. That will be my second step, and then I'll add up things to these hangers over there, and then I will sort through things. So I would say, okay, I have 10 dresses for spring summer. Do I need to have 10 dresses standing here? And I will decide whether I'll wear them or not, and if I do, then I will hang them, or if I don't, I will take them out of the cupboard and I will put them in a pile to give it either to friends or to charity shop. And yeah, that is the plan so far. Let's see how I go. Oh, a little tip. When you're sorting your wardrobe, I advise you to think in terms of silhouettes. So think about your bottoms, your tops, basically separates. Then think about your dresses, your outerwear, your underwear, your accessories. Where would you put them? Whether you're going to fold them or you're going to hang them. Think about lightweight knits, for example, or heavier weight knits. That really helps me to kind of create a structure in my own wardrobe, and then it's easy to pull out clothes for the daily outfit. I hope that's helpful. I realized that there are perks to organizing your wardrobe, so I'll show you what I found that I have completely forgotten about. Aren't these the most gorgeous mules ever? I have completely forgotten about them. This is what I meant when I said that I store my shoes under my clothes, and I can't really see all of them. Oh, I love them, and they're so comfortable. I bought them last year from Mango. Super nice. Love them. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna break for lunch for bed, and then I'll come back and continue with my wardrobe organization. I have sorted through a lot of clothes and fall clothes, and I'm getting into the spring ones. Exciting. I'll show it to you. Okay guys, another tip that I thought might be useful for some of you is hanger preferences. I have my hanger preferences, and I learned it the hard way, I would say. So in terms of tops, I prefer to have plastic hangers that have a little bit of a body to it on the side here, so they can hold the shape on the shoulders. Yeah, that is my preferred hanger for tops. Yeah, and a metal hanger, this part, which can swivel, so I can easily twist it when I have to put it in the cupboard. And for very often for tops or for bottoms that don't need to hold their shape, I will have the wooden ones. I really like those ones, and I fold over the trousers or mostly jeans on them. So these are the ones that these are my favorite ones, I would say, and I try to use most of them for my wardrobe. And for trousers that need tailored ones, for example, I use those ones with clips. I don't have that many of them, but this is what I use for my trousers. Hope that's useful. I sorted through my fall winter clothes, so I thought I'll show it to you and what I'm putting away, and I still have to unpack some of the spring clothes, but a lot of them are already inside. So here it is. Here are these are my knitted tops. Out of them, this one is a toaster sweater which I've made, and everything else here is store-bought. These are mostly primarily heavy knits, and this pile here is all handmade. These are my knitted dresses and sweaters that I love to wear non-stop. So these are the toaster sweaters and the Dalviki sweaters. So these are my clothes that have to stay on a hanger. I would say there are some heavy blazers that I love to wear in the winter time. My pleather pencil skirt that I made this year, and I love it. And this is a very fancy, I would say, a happy top that I made. It is a jelly pattern. It's basically a sweatshirt that I made into more of a festive version for around Christmas times. And this is the pile that will be going to charity or to friends and family so far. Okay, on this side, this is my one of my winter jackets, Esme cardigan by Named Clothing, Talviki sweater dress by Named Clothing, and self-drafted cardigan that I made many years ago, and I still love to wear it. All right, guys, it's 10 minutes to 3, so it's just time for me to pick up the children. I managed to finish just on time, so I'll give you a quick sneak peek of what I've done, and in the next video I will go into details of how I've organized my cupboard and what I think about what goes where. And that's my personal experience. It's a little bit colorful, but I'm quite happy with it. And this side, these are my jeans, and these are my knits primarily, and my sportswear. What I found out, well, I mentioned to you that I first started with sorting through which clothes should stay, which are all year round, or they're a little bit fall, but still I use them because sometimes it gets cooler. So I sorted that through, and then I pulled out all my spring summer clothes from last year, and I've unfortunately had to part away with some dresses, simply because I felt I will not wear them as much as I love them. I store them. I didn't have the heart to throw them, actually. I think I will I'll keep them for a few more years, and see if I don't wear them again, I will have to give them away. But basically I had to put away my only actually Eve dress from Sew Over It, and I also had to put on hold, actually I'm giving that away to my aunt. It's a Sew Over It penny dress. I love that dress, but it's just I don't wear it, and that's what it is. So I wanted to keep things that I will wear. Yeah, so this is what I will wear. These are primarily wovens, and I'm very proud to say that about 90% of what you see here is handmade. So I'm very happy with how things look right now. But yeah, I don't think I'll be able to that's my dog. I don't think I'll be able to do any cutting today, because the children are coming home, and then we are doing some fun stuff with them in the afternoon. So that means that I will be wrapping up this sewing vlog for you today. I hope that was useful, and until next week, when I will show you in detail the overall logic of my wardrobe. Okay, I hope everyone is well, stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.